I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and Woocommerce expertise. This tutorial is about the options in the main settings of Woocommerce bulk coupons editing plugin and how they can help you to manage and customize the plugin. By going to the Settings tab on the top ribbon of the main page, you'll have access to some options for personalizing the plugin. Now, the first one is Count per page, and it actually allows you to arrange the number of coupons in the table in each page. You can choose one of the default numbers from the list. Then we've got default sort by. You can instruct the plugin to sort the orders in the table according to the item selected for this field. Here, orders in the table will sort by ID number as default. The next one is default sort. In this item of the main settings, you can determine how the plugin sorts the orders in the table by choosing one of the items. And the items that we have here are ascending and descending. Ascending sorts the orders from the minimum ID number to the maximum ID number. And then descending sorts the orders from the maximum ID number to the minimum ID number. Alright, the next option is ID and coupon code columns. Here you can choose whether the plugin considers the ID and coupon code columns as sticky columns on the table by choosing yes, which means those two columns will always be there even if you scroll to the right or left to see other columns in the table. And obviously, if you choose no, the columns will be hidden. Alright, now let's see how it works. As you can see now, they're hidden. And if you choose yes, you'll be able to actually see them. The next option is Display Column Label. You can customize the column's label to be displayed completely or in short by choosing your preferred option for this item on the main settings. If you choose completely, it's going to show the complete version of the label. And if you choose in short, you'll notice that it's going to show the in short version. Now the last one is keep a filled data in bulk edit form. You can instruct the plugin to keep the data you have entered in the bulk edit form by choosing yes. Now what it does is that when you set a condition or choose a data from a list or type anything in the text box of bulk edit form, they will be saved for you and you will see them every time you open the bulk edit form. But if you choose no, the data will be cleared from the bulk edit form after closing and you will see a blank form the next time you open it. And here we have save changes, which is to apply the changes you have made on the main settings. So you need to click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page.